because you promised me delicious desserts.
Well, yeah, I was referring to myself.
You know.
Messy, so don't mess with me. Used to give them kisses, now the nurses use them empathy. Erotic, sipping hip.
Lesson in taking a jab. Is you slap him and say, as if, bruh.
You know I'm just a flight away. If you wanna, you can take a private plane. A kilómetros estamos conectando. Y me prendes aunque no me estés tocando. You know.
Are you trying to get me to show you these? I don't know. I really could use a nice soda.
Here. This is what you want, right?
You always walk around with that.
Yep. I bring it whenever I work with Rompo, just in case.
You're back together, and if that's true, you'll just have to taste me when he's kissing you. If you want forever, nothing you do, just know you'll taste me too.
What did you expect me to do? I didn't want to just die there. You pushed me too hard. I had to use the tiger's claws to survive.
Most people tend to cry when their father dies.